Good morning, students. I hope you people are all well, and I welcome you today in civics class. Children, we will start with our new chapter, chapter 20, Media, the mainstay of democracy. Media is the most important and integral part of democracy. As you all know, in democracy, we have been given full freedom to raise our voice and express our thoughts and views. So, the success of democracy to some extent depends on free media. Today, the topic will be meaning of media and interdependence of media and technology on each other. The learning outcomes for the same are the students will be able to state the meaning of the term media, differentiate between the print and electronic media, and the students will be able to enlist the ways by which media and technology are interdependent on each other. Media here means the main means of communication, for example, TV, radio, newspaper, internet. Information is conveyed to the people through these various means of media. Under print media comes all the magazines, journals, pamphlets, leaflets, periodicals, and electronic media consists of TV, radio, internet, etc. You will be able to differentiate between both types of media. You will also be able to enlist the ways by which media and technology are dependent on each other. How media and technology help each other. First of all, we must see what is media. Media refers to various means of communication that help in communicating to a large number of people at the same time, like radio, TV, cinema, newspaper, magazines, internet. These are all means of communication. In the present world, we cannot imagine our life without these means of media. It gives us information about news, important events taking place all over the world. In short, it's a means of information. It has a great influence in our daily life and it influences our knowledge, behavior, information, thoughts, views, etc. Media is the plural of the term medium. So, students, you have achieved your first learning outcome. You will be able to state the meaning of the term media. Students, now we will see what is mass media. Mass media is the medium to communicate to a larger audience by different forms of technology. Now, different types of mass media can be print media, radio, cable TV, satellite TV, internet services. When the message is conveyed to millions of people at the same time, it is known as mass media. जब लाखों लोगों को एक ही टाइम पर मैसेज आए उसको मास मीडिया कहते हैं. When a program comes on TV, it is watched by crores of people, millions of people at the same time. Now, mass media can be divided into two types: print media, electronic media. Under print media, we can see newspapers, magazines, journals, etc. And in electronic media comes television, radio, computers, DVDs, CDs, mobile phones. Students, print media has changed tremendously. In earlier times, raised and carved designs on seals were pressed on wet clay or wax and they were used. चाइना ने प्रिंटिंग की फील्ड में बहुत डेवलपमेंट करी. Chinese invented paper. Children, earlier Buddhist monks used to write hand copies of manuscripts and books. The German printer Johannes Gutenberg invented the first printing machine with the type mold. Here in the picture you can see the printing machine with the type mold. He also brought out first printed Bible in mid 15th century. Students, slowly the computers controlled the printing process and materials to be printed were fed into the memory of the printing machine to print newspaper, magazines and books. We will have a look at how newspapers come out. So dear students, you can see a lot of changes in the print media. From black and white newspapers, we can see colored newspapers. Glazed material paper is used for magazines and periodicals. So now let us have a look at the electronic media. In electronic media, we can see TV, radio, internet. These all play a very important part. But television is very important as it provides us good audio-visual facility. Source of information about current affairs, sports, games, कोई भी पॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन है कंट्री में, कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें टीवी में बहुत अच्छी तरह से देखने को मिल जाती है. Children, any TV or radio program that is sent all over the world through satellite, it is called broadcast. Programs like KBC, IPL मैचेस या मन की बात बाय प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी या कोविड-19 की कोई न्यूज़ हो, वो सब हमें, कोई योगा प्रोग्राम्स हो, सब कुछ हमें टीवी पे बहुत इजीली अवेलेबल होता है एंड वी लव टू वॉच it because of audio visual facility. Students, now your second learning objective has been achieved. Now you will be able to differentiate between print and electronic media. Cable and satellite network has improved the connectivity in rural, mountains and urban areas. Images travel huge distances through satellite and cables, and we can watch news and other channels from other parts of the world very easily. Communication technology, digital technology has grown a lot. Beta, we not only get information from every part of our country, but we get information from across the world. Our news is not limited to only our country, one country, but we get information world over. It's a global news. So it has ended narrowcasting. Narrowcasting here means that the news is not limited to a country alone. It has gone international boundaries. It has created global culture. Global culture here means that we know the news, what is happening across the world. We know about everything what is happening in other countries as well. Media and technology are interdependent on each other. They are dependent on each other. वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर निर्भर करते हैं. Technology has improved the efficiency of media. नई टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज़ करने से media has improved its efficiency, and media also tell us about different inventions and discoveries happening all over the world. People are well informed about the latest technology through media only. Like from black and white TVs, we started using color TVs, smart TVs. So it is all happening because of latest technology. Earlier phones were very simple ones with keypads. Now smart Android phones are there, iPhones are there. From 2G we have gone to 3G to 4G, and now 5G is also there. Earlier only black and white pictures were there in newspaper, but now we can see colored pics and very shining pages we can see in the newspaper. Updates us about latest robots which clean the homes. In this COVID-19 period, many robots have been in the market. Also tells us about the new brand of cars that keep on coming with latest features. Recently, a new planet has been discovered by researchers. So how do we know about all these things? We know about all these latest technologies through media only. Children, it is only because of digital technology that you can do online study, and you are receiving videos from the teachers. You can search on internet and you can find solution to your queries. Some TV channels take you to a virtual trip to each and every country in the world. So this is all happening because of media. Changing technology has helped media in reaching out to more people, and media shows, panel discussions, connects with people in different parts of the country, hold discussions, debates with them. It has also improved the quality of sound and pictures. and images which are seen on TV. You can see media and technology both are dependent on each other, they are interdependent on each other, both complement each other. So here students, we have achieved our third learning outcome, and that is enlist the ways by which media and technology are interdependent on each other. So here is your home assignment. You will draw a mind map of different types of media under print and electronic media, and you will be solving one Google Form sheet also.